Welcome to EntrustMyLife, Secure Your Legacy. To get started with EntrustMyLife, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Initial setup. On the account dashboard, you'll find a few steps to get started. Confirm activity. This is required every 60 days to keep your account active. Assign legacy recipients. Select individuals who will receive your sensitive information should something happen to you. Manage sensitive information. Here, you can add and manage the information that will be shared with your legacy recipients. Legacy Center Overview. Next, let's explore the Legacy Center. Legacy Recipients tab. Here, you manage individuals you've designated to receive sensitive information after your passing. These are people who have accepted your invitation to become legacy recipients. Account Holder tab. As a primary account holder, upload and store important documents, set instructions, and designate legacy recipients. Legacy Invitations tab. View and manage all sent invitations to potential legacy recipients. Managing documents and data. In the Secure Documents page, manage and upload documents that will be securely transferred upon your death. This ensures timely and confidential handling of your legacy. Service accounts. The service accounts section lists all linked external accounts like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. This serves as a directory for your legacy recipients, showing which accounts you own and their purposes. To add a service account, simply click Add, enter the account name and details about its purpose or importance. Account settings. Finally, in My Account, you can view your subscription details, legacy recipients, and secure storage limits. Here, you can also update billing information or modify your subscription plan if needed. Thank you for choosing EntrustMyLife.